The hype that Apple created by introducing the iOS 18 is exceptionally strong. I always carry an iPhone with me no matter what, and genuinely speaking, I am also very excited for the stable version of the iOS 18 to launch. But now, I got a news which is literally disappointing. You know, the main attraction of the iOS 18 was adding artificial intelligence to your phone. I know there are a lot of new features regarding icons and theming up your phone, but the star of the show was adding artificial intelligence to your phone through this new update. But I forgot one thing, that based on the older iOS releases, it was quite predictable that Apple would pull an apple and create separation between iPhone models by making new AI features exclusive to some of them. And the same thing happened. Apple has decided to make its new Apple Intelligence ML algorithm exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's it. Only 2 iPhones will be able to have Apple Intelligence. I know guys, people who are using the iPhone 14 Pro or the 14 Pro Max models won't be able to have the Apple Intelligence feature until they pay the price of the updated model. As I said, it was expected that Apple was going to keep the certain new iOS 18 features exclusive to the most expensive iPhones because this happens every year. But this went beyond my wildest expectations. Apple Intelligence is quite literally coming to only 2 iPhone models right now and eventually 6 in total when iPhone 16 series is out. And unless only the iPhone 16 Pro models get AI, which will be the cherry on top. Well, this move makes the $800 iPhone 15 and the $900 iPhone 15 Plus, which are Apple's current flagship phones, sort of irrelevant. Sure, some would say not everyone cares about the AI in iOS 18, but that'd be a very weak argument, since the most impressive part about the iOS 18 is indeed Apple Intelligence. And again, let's not forget, people using the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 13, which are pretty capable devices even by today's standards, the decision to make Apple Intelligence exclusive to the latest Pro iPhones could indeed push people using the vanilla version of the iPhone to upgrade to a Pro model. And this is Apple's strategy to make more money, and that's exactly what Apple always wanted. And this is what every phone maker wants, to upsell. However, I'm simply not sure that's a fair way to achieve it. It feels like cheating your own users who've waited a while to get a taste of the whole next generation AI thing. I don't know about you guys, but it feels cheating to me. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, the story continues, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.